Zenon was built from the ground up with security in mind. Security aspects like system stability, operation security, and security against unauthorized access are fundamental to Zenon's architecture. In regards to security against unauthorized access, let's take a closer look at how passwords are managed. You can, of course, parameterize user rights management in the Zenon editor, but there are also a variety of options to manage user rights in Zenon runtime as well. Additionally, Active Directory can be fully integrated into Zenon. Let's create a new user in the Zenon editor. Assign him a username and password. And allocate the necessary password-protected access levels to this user. If you like, you can assign every element in Zenon a security level, thereby creating individually configured access levels. Let's take a look at an example of this using a particular button within a process screen. You can assign this button to one of 128 password-protected levels, making it accessible only to those users to whom you've assigned access to this level. Now let's take a quick look at this project in Zenon runtime. We log into the system, but before we can perform certain actions, like editing a specific target value for temperature, the system requires an additional authorization before allowing the user access to make this change. Using such built-in security features, you can prevent unauthorized editing of critical processes, where the user may be logged in but happens to be away at that moment. You can also manage and administer user rights directly in Zenon runtime. Let's see how easy it is to change passwords in Zenon runtime. Of course, security means a lot more than just user rights management. Zenon's built-in security is all-encompassing. It's Windows Vista and Windows 7 certified. Active Directory is fully supported. Building redundancy into networks is totally problem-free. All changes are maintained in the change history. All network communication is encrypted. And it conforms to FDA 21 CFR Part 11. And there's so much more. Interested in learning more? Or do you have any special security needs in your environment? We're glad to answer any questions about how you can implement secure HMI and SCADA with Zenon.